We are Monginis. We are into business of cakes and pastries. We are into a celebration. Monginis brand has a legacy of more than 100 years. We are having pan-India present through more than 1000 retail outlets. As we have in-house logistics and supply chain, Tata 407 SFC is an integral part of our logistics department. Tata 407 has three distinguished features. One is the optimum deck length, which is very suitable for our application of business. Second thing is the low turning radius, which makes it easily accessible in the crowded area. Third thing is the low maintenance cost and spare availability all across the market. Hence, it can also be repaired with the help of a local mechanic. Because of these three reasons, we have more than 100 fleet of Tata 407 SFC in our Monginis group of companies. The relationship with Tata Motors and the Tata 407 SFC model is more than 20 years. Almost 2 decades we have been together. Our business has expanded and grown together. The relationship and the foundation of this relationship is very strong, and in a time to come, in a near future, this will prosper and this will grow. Tata 407 is mainly known for its low maintenance cost, also the spare availability. Because of easy spare availability and as it can be repaired by a local maintenance or a mechanic person also, it is very useful for all the people who are there into business with Tata 407 SFC to maintain their vehicle. Then another thing which distinguish it from all its parallel products is the consistent mileage. You get the good mileage and not one of its type, but you get it consistently. So consistent mileage, spare availability and low maintenance cost, these are the main reason or the distinguished feature of the 407 and has really helped us out in bringing our costs down as far as our operations are concerned. We use Tata 407 to carry cakes and pastries which required refrigeration. Hence the refrigeration is one application. Another is to carry my ambient temperature products, that is my packaged product on pan-India basis. These are the two applications where we use Tata 407. Yes, we feel Tata 407 is very much safe for drivers because of the engine. The placement of this engine is on the front side. Hence, in case of any accident, the damage to an engine will happen first and the life of the person can be saved. So the design of the vehicle itself takes care of the safety of the drivers. Besides this, we are a key customer to Tata Motors. Hence, Tata Motors has through Tata Delight extended the services in terms of ensuring our drivers when they are on their routes. Maintenance cost of 407 is very less. The spare availability is also there. Spares are easily available. Turnaround time in terms of service from Tata Motors is also very good. So the queries and the breakdown get resolved very fast. Warranty of these vehicles is up to 3 years or up to 3 lakh kilometers of running. These are all the distinguished features of Tata 407 SFC. Tata 407 has completed 30 years. This is really a commendable job. For any product to sustain in the market for more than 30 years is really a very great job. Tata 407, we treat it as a family member. We are into business of celebration. So we would like to celebrate the 30th birthday of Tata 407 by gifting them a cake specially made for them, which is a 3D on 2D Tata 407 model made in the form of cake. Tata 407 with a relationship of more than 2 decades, there are plenty of moments which are memorable. You can say Tata 407 is the most dependable resource that we had in our logistics department. Whenever it comes to deliver the cakes to the remotest destination with the toughest condition and with the least time, Tata 407 has always delivered. So Tata 407 is like a Rahul Dravid in our cricket team of logistics. Tata 407 trucks are the very special products. They are very much suitable for our need and applications. As far as Tata Motors is concerned, Tata Motors has always given us a customized solutions based on our needs. They send their ERC team to our factory to understand our problem. They stepped into our shoes to understand our issues and provide a solution accordingly, which was highly customized. So we really feel Tata Motors is a company which is customer centric. It always puts customer first and always provide a customized solutions to their customers based on their need and applications.